Hello, jam students. Yeah, we have few days to 2026 UTME. Alright, in this video, I'll be talking about what to call sigma and pi bonds of organic compounds. So, how to know how many sigma bonds and how many pi bonds are present in a particular compound. So now, basically, we have what to call the sigma bond. So sigma bonds are basically denoted with this sign, sigma sign, basically. Then we have the pi bond. The pi bond. Uh, so now basically a type of question Jam can ask you is let's say how many sigma bonds and pi bonds are present in, let's say, a compound, let's say a tin. So you have to determine the number of sigma and number of pi bonds present. So now I'll make this video very, very simple and yes, explanatory. So now remember, um organic compounds, they have single bonds, some have double bonds, while some have triple bonds present in them, right? So now just note this: every single bond has only a sigma bond. Every single bond has only a sigma bond. Every double bond has one sigma and one pi, right? So every double bond you see contains one sigma bond and one pi bond. And every triple bond contains one sigma and two pi. Let me come over it again. Every single bond contains only a sigma bond. Double bond contains one sigma, one pi. Triple bond, one sigma and two pi, right? So now let's take an example. Let's see this compound. Let's see methane, for example. Okay, methane is too simple. Let me make it propane. So this is the structure of propane. If you don't know how I got propane, you can check my previous video on nomenclature of alkanes. So this is propane. It has 3 carbon atoms. Now this is how you do it. How many single bonds are present? So this is why let's do it. How many single bonds, how many double bonds, and how many triple bonds? So how many single bonds are present? One, can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me come again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 single bonds. How many double bonds? 0. How many triple bonds? 0. And I told you that one double bond we have one sigma, which means we have only 10 sigma bonds present. We have 10 sigma bonds, right? And we have 0 pi bond. I hope this is explanatory. Now let's take a compound that has a double bond. Let's say, for example, 18. One, something like this. Right. So now the same way we are going to do, how many single bonds, how many double bonds, how many triple bonds. So now let's see how many single bonds are present. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you get that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 single bonds, which means we have 4 sigma. Now, how many double bond is present? One double bond, right? And I told you one double bond contains one sigma and one pi, right? A double bond contains one sigma and one pi. So summing this together, it means we will have 4 plus 1, that will be 5. So we have 5 sigma bonds and and one pi. This is not 6, so this is sigma. Sorry for the way I wrote it. So which means we have 5 sigma bonds and one pi bond, right? So let's take the last one, for example, ethane. Let's see ethane, for example. Let's see ethane. Ethyne is a linear compound that has triple bond present in it. So I want to see how many sigma bonds and pi bonds are present here. So now looking at this, we have that. So how many single bonds are present? One, two, just two single bonds. One, two. By which means we have what? Two sigma. Then how many pi bonds? So how many triple bond? Just one. So one triple bond. I told you one triple bond consists of what? One sigma and what? And two pi. Therefore, summing this together, we have what? Three sigma and what? And two pi in the structure of what? Of ethyne. So from this video, what you should just notice this: one single bond is a sigma bond, one double bond, one sigma, one pi, then triple bond, one sigma and two pi. So there was a jam pass question I saw, so I will just leave you guys to solve it in the comment section. So how many um pi bonds and sigma bonds are present in benzene? So basically, the reason most students always miss this is because they don't know how to draw the structure of benzene. So I will draw it for us. So this is like a typical structure of benzene. I know as a jam student you have seen this before. Now it has alternating double bonds. So double bond, alternate, double bond, alternate, double bond. Now this is where most students make mistake. They just count based on what is here. This is a carbon atom, right? Every edge, every apex here is a carbon atom, right? It is attached to something. Therefore, there are still other bonds in this place. Which means when we are counting what? The number of double single bonds, these are also single bonds. I don't know if you understand that. So basically now, so from this structure, determine the what? The number of sigma bonds and number of pi bonds present in benzene. So I'll be expecting your answer in the comment section. Yeah, so that will be all for this video. I hope you learned one thing or the other. So make sure you share this video to your friends. Yeah, we'll see you again in another video before your JAMB examination.